You'd love the convenience of letting your pets play freely in the yard. But what if they dart into the street or get into trouble? What if they run off and never return? We turn yards into happy, protected play areas where your pets respect the yard's boundaries and stay out of harm's way.
When your dog attempts to cross the boundary, he receives a safe static correction, no worse than what you might feel when you generate static and touch something. These underground systems offer your pet the freedom to roam within a safe boundary. In-ground fencing systems use a durable wire to transmit a radio signal to an electronic collar. When your dog approaches the boundary, the collar emits a gentle, safe static correction. The collar quickly teaches pets to stay within a designated area. Installation is a weekend project, but it's easy for most do-it-yourselfers who enjoy the flexibility to create an invisible, customizable boundary that works with landscaping. Once installed, try using flags or cones as visual cues to help your dog learn where the invisible fence is. You can remove them once he gets familiar with his new boundaries.
More safe space for your dog to roam and play.
You've selected one of the most technologically advanced pet fencing systems available. Perimeter Technologies has designed exclusive features into your new system that will give you and your dog years of outdoor enjoyment. The leads, trainers, flags, and the electronic training collar are all clues for your dog to learn the boundaries. They are all removed gradually, except the electronic training collar. It's essential that you observe whether your off-lead, unsupervised dog still avoids and retreats from the unmarked boundary. If your dog's response is anything but immediate, retrace your steps through the training process.